G'day! In today's video, I'm having a bit of a look at the SD2 Vita Pro, which is essentially SD card to work on a Vita with custom firmware, and you're able to use a micro SD card, which, funnily enough, from launch, they had their own proprietary style of storage, which seemed to completely kill any momentum that the Vita ever had of actually being widely adopted. You'd either have to purchase an expensive, I'm not even sure what it's called, but we'll find out, an expensive form of storage for the Vita. Have a look under one of these ports. Where are we? Here we go. So we had to buy a essentially a knockoff of an SD card, but Sony's proprietary storage, which that seemed to not go down very well at all. Granted, it was probably a bit of to try and curb piracy, but at the same time, it completely tanked the sales of the device. So in theory, I should be able to put this into here, and this utilises the game slot. There we go. Now this has already got custom firmware installed on it. I'm hoping if I quit out of Final Fantasy, there we go. And let's go to Vita Shell and see if we can see any form of storage on here. We'll try and turn up the brightness for you guys. There we go. And I'm not seeing it at a glance. Which I may have to enable software for it, or enable it to function. Now, I'm not 100% sure where that is. There we go. Mount SD card. Yes. Failed. That's convenient. App downloader. I don't know if I need to download anything to control that. Or maybe it just didn't like being plugged in while it was turned on. Back. Create an internal memory card. No, thank you. Target. That sounds like it. Format target storage. Hopefully, after that SD card that's in there is formatted, it can then be mounted. Bingo! That sounds good. Now if we quit out of here, go back into Vita Shell. Hopefully from there I can see a rather large storage. Now let's see, are we showing up? Power button hold, wake it up, and GRW02, 238 gigabytes. And are we partially frozen? Maybe we are, maybe we aren't. Close, reopen, open, open. And we're unhappy. Don't know if I need to go back into here and remount that. No, it's having a big ponder. When in doubt, kill the power, start again. And we're back. Let's see. Let's try Vita Shell once more. Hopefully this time we'll get somewhere. So it has manually ejected the PS or SD to Vita. Vita deploy again. Start. Mount. Mounted. Back. Now we should hopefully see it. There we go. Go into there, we have nothing. So what I'm going to do is move most of the stuff from the SD or the 16 gig Vita storage to the SD, or at least add some extra content to there. 256 or 238 gigs, probably quite a lot, but put on Homebrew, put on PSP games, put on Vita games, put on PS1 games. This is going to hopefully last the life of this device for me. So I'm going to connect this up to the computer and use that from there. I did have it freeze up, and apparently the SD2 Vita can cause it to freeze like it did. But mashing the power button and doing a fresh restart, it seems to be all up and going right now. So anyway, I do like this kind of device. I do like these kind of devices for these machines, other machines, anything that involves getting around proprietary storage, I'm very happy with. So I'm going to put some games on here and have a bit of a play. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.